Hi, everyone. This is Victor, and I wanted to provide a quick Bitcoin update and tell you about my portfolio. I own one Bitcoin and I continue to buy more Bitcoin, hopefully building towards two Bitcoin. So, first and foremost, Bitcoin has had an upward trend, especially over the last 6 days. It's good to see that going up. It's actually been going up a little more consistently than the stock market. Stock market over the last 6 days has been down quite a bit. One thing that caught a lot of attention in the past really week has been the Terra Luna collapse. Very unfortunate that this stable coin went down, but it's caught a lot of attention. And the people that don't understand cryptocurrencies, that's just one more reason to be fearful. But I was not an investor of Terra Luna, so I'm glad that that doesn't affect my portfolio. Pizza Day came around, which is it's a memorial for the time when somebody paid 10,000 Bitcoin for two pizzas. That was the first transaction using Bitcoin. It's kind of a funny story, but I'm sure it's crushing to know that somebody paid that much for two pizzas way back when. And then I'd like to tell you why I have a plan to buy more BTC this week. Bitcoin's up today. It's May 23rd. So I'm going to wait for it to have any kind of dip, and then I'm going to buy some more Bitcoin. So as mentioned, the last 6 days, Bitcoin's gone up 6.22%. So it's good to see that, over the last 6 days, and this doesn't include most of today's trading, which is even a little bit higher. So maybe we're closer to 8%. So it's good to see that. I hope that it continues to go up and we see an upward trend long term. Overall, year to date, Bitcoin's down 36%, and the Nasdaq's down almost 30 as well. So it's been a rough year for stocks and cryptocurrencies. So it's, I think, a good time to buy because prices are discounted. Chart I like to show is, here I'm comparing Bitcoin to the Nasdaq to the Treasury, the 10-year Treasury, which is interest rates. First you can see that the Nasdaq and Bitcoin are kind of, meandering along the same level. Sometimes Bitcoin is above, sometimes Nasdaq is above, but they kind of follow each other. And you can see Bitcoin's really going up more recently. But you can see as interest rates really climbed, the Nasdaq began to drop as well as Bitcoin. So interest rates have now leveled off. They're flat. Last week, you saw interest rates go down slightly, so that was good. Maybe that had a correlation to Bitcoin. But I'm going to be watching interest rates very closely and see how I could associate that to Bitcoin. One last chart. This is the 1 year, and you can see where interest rates, they were really down in 2021, and they were historical lows. It was pretty much like close to zero. And then they just shot up. They shot up in 2022, really affected the stock market as well as Bitcoin. So now that they've leveled off, you can see this leveling off, hoping that, this Bitcoin rally really takes off. Overall, the performance, 1 year, Bitcoin's down 12%, year to date's down 36%. The market cap's at 579 billion, but the price is rising and stable more recently. We're in a bear stock market, so there's a lot of fear in Wall Street. So I think that's affecting the overall, cryptocurrency investing. The Terra Luna collapse doesn't help. So there's a lot of fear-driven psychology out there. Now, that is an opportunity because if you can really just, see through that, invest when investments are discounted, you're going to be better off. So I'm going to continue to buy because it's a very good time to buy more crypto. I'm going to continue to buy each month and then continue to build up and have a nice portfolio. I own Bitcoin, Ethereum too. Those are my two biggest positions. Then I own about 10 other coins to fill out my portfolio. Other news is Block is, all in with Bitcoin. They're doing a lot of things to help Bitcoin be used more often in transactions. So really need to see Block, which is previously was Square, and their stock symbol is SQ. The Lightning Network also enables more transactions on Bitcoin. So those things are really helping, provide more use cases for Bitcoin, and it could be a coin to use in transactions more often instead of just being a store of value. So this video is just for entertainment purposes only. I'm not recommending you buy Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency stock or security. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it interesting. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. You can subscribe to my channel. And if you do me a big favor and like my video, I'd greatly appreciate that. Good luck investing in 2022.